So we are required to know how and when and what are the means to evacuate persons with disabilities. Now this idea came to me only when we actually encountered such incident when we first did a mock drill in the month of October. We were training the Taj group of hotels across India. That is the time we did a live mock drill exercise at Parietal Bhavan. And that is the time when I believe, and the press also came out with that there were some persons with disabilities in that building. And being a mock exercise, probably our firefighters or the officers must have told them that this is just a mock drill and you please relax. We will not evacuate you. But then after that, if you remember, there was an article in the press that the fire and emergency services are not equipped, are not trained to evacuate persons with disabilities.
Even though people with disabilities, 1 in 7 persons have some disability or the other. There is also a lot of elderly people today, and the numbers are increasing. And many of these people are left out during disasters. We have seen, of course, rescue is one, but even the information about a disaster doesn't reach them because, maybe the way of communication. Example, you only have a hooter, but if I'm a person who cannot hear, I don't know that there's a fire alarm. So people don't know about it at this stage. Or if sometimes information is given out in TV, because it does not have any caption and I'm a person with hearing disabled, I will be left out and I'm sitting at home. So many of these are, even if there is a hooter and I'm a person who is blind or elderly, I'm not able to go out to a safe position and left out. So in this, a lot of people with disabilities remain at home or remain in situation of danger and kind of get caught in that. For starting this initiative, I think perhaps it's the first state to have taken this initiative, and I hope it continues.